Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gaming for Beginners. Today in this video, I'm gonna be guiding you through how to create a hive in Once Human. In Once Human, the in-game group system lets you team up with friends, share territory advantages, and play cooperatively. So in order to create a hive in Once Human, first of all launch open the Once Human game on your device. Once you're inside the game, go ahead and click on the menu button at the top right corner, and from the expanded menu, click on Hive. Now go to the left hand corner and click on Create Hive button. Go ahead and give a name to your hive on the right side, and once you are done typing in the name, click on the Create button at the bottom of the screen. You can also invite the friends to your hive if you've got any eligible friends. It will be displayed over here. Tap on the friend and you'll be able to invite them to your hive. Now click the Create button at the bottom right corner in order to create your hive. You are automatically set as the hive leader once you finish making it. Now in the hive screen, you can go ahead and recruit members to invite players. You can recruit players who see your hive, find via search, people in the hive channel or social feature in the game. To invite friends, go to the top right corner and click the Invite Friend button and select one of your friends if you have any. You can also go ahead and make a public recruitment. Go to the Public Recruitment button at the top left, and then you can send a recruitment message to the Hive channel or display them when players pass by your territory. Check on the display in territory information if you want players to join into your hive while passing through your territory. You can also send it to Hive channel by tapping on Send to Hive channel, and a recruitment message will be sent in the Hive channel or social feature. A hive can typically hold 8 members. Members gain group benefits like collaborative territory building, buffs, and shared progressions. Once created, members can locate each other and coordinate more safely. So that is how you can easily create a hive in Once Human. You can also go ahead and edit your hive slogan, hive tag, and other settings option for the hive. That's how it's super easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.